Hello, if you are wondering if it is possible to watch YouTube in the background for free without YouTube Premium on OPPO A60, then unfortunately the answer is no. On OPPO devices there was an option to do that. We had the background stream option in the quick access. It was accessible over here, or it was hidden in the more features, so we could press these three dots, go to edit tiles, and then over here we could find this option. However, this was removed some time ago by OPPO as it was violating some terms of use of YouTube, etc. So this option is now removed, and we need to use third-party apps if you want to play the YouTube app in the background on your device. So if you really want to do that without having to pay for YouTube Premium, then you can try to find apps, third-party apps in the Google Play Store. You can just type YouTube background play, like so, and there are multiple different apps that you can try to use. I didn't really use any of these, but I'm pretty sure you can just install them really quickly and find out by yourself how to use them. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!